beautiful people, this is Mario. I'm going to take a little quick ride out to the slope. Should be about an 8-mile trip, and hopefully you'll see some interesting sights. Hello. All right. So we went on a trip. We now have 37 miles. Hasn't even broken in yet. This is called a quad lock, and I got the Pro model, which is aluminum. And it has this little kind of shock. Probably good for a Harley. I just put it on because I just got a new phone. I didn't really want to mess with it, but the way it works is there's a lock on the back here, and it kind of there we go, and it goes on. There's no way it's gonna come off. It's a little bit looser than I would have liked. I liked it better before, but and then there's this little button here. You just gotta do this, twist it, comes right off. Enjoy.